Have here NDFP Commandant HPS Kandari. This is the third day of rescue and recovery operation. Can you tell us update on the from the origin till date now?
This started day before, and we got to know about it in the evening that such a incident had happened. So one team of ours were already here in the Jayantia Hills for familiation exercise. So we sent that team immediately to this place. They came in the late evening here and stayed for the night. And then they started operation. And we sent two more teams on the which started on the same day, reached there next day. So in the morning the operation is started, and what was told to us that 18 bodies were recovered on the first day by district administration. And after our arrival, we conducted operation, and yesterday 4 bodies were recovered. So today the operation is continued, but people are down there. They are searching for the body, for more people there.
So you suspect there can be many more people trapped, or
This is what the administration is suspecting. They are telling that there might be some other people. So then we are in the process of clearing all the rat holes.
so can you tell us how difficult it is the operations?
There is it's difficult. This is it's dark down below. We have to rely on the torches, and then it can be suffocating because of the lack of proper oxygen. And then if we are in the well, sometimes there is a risk of the stones and the loose soil falling and falling over our people. So that has to be taken care of.
So you must have seen all the main, especially Xan here, other areas.
Yes, I have been here in another operations also.
So compared to that, how difficult it is? That was difficult because it was flooded.
Every operation has its own dynamics, and every operation is new. That was difficult in its own way. The depth of the shaft was much, and then it was seeping all over. And when we were working there, then it was rather kind of raining down there, and it was very difficult in that situation. We put on a lot of efforts to de-water the wells. Here the situation is different, but there are another risk. Because of the loose and burnt soil, there are more chances of the soil and the stones falling, and then there is chances that there might be gases down there. So these are risks always there. So we are assessing them and conducting the operations.
Was it similar to Assam's Dima Haso area?
I said that Dima Hassa was different in another way because that was the shaft of the mine was more, and that was the flooded mine. So situation there was different, and situation here is different.
So how long it will take to ensure that it is now operations are?
It is actually very difficult to tell so because there is a web of rat holes down there, and we are searching. And till the time it will be actually decided by the administration.
So the NDRF